course outcome 6, which is all about business plan. So first, what is a business plan? So a business plan is a written document that describes your business. It covers objectives, strategies, sales, marketing, and financial forecasts. So here are the elements of a business plan. First is the executive summary. Second is the business and industry overview. Third is the marketing plan. Fourth is the organizational structure. Fifth is the operating plan. And lastly is the financial plan. Let us proceed with executive summary. So the executive summary goes near the beginning of the plan but is written last. So it provides a short, concise, and optimistic overview of your business that captures the reader's attention and creates a need to learn more. So the executive summary should be no more than 2 pages long, with overviews of other plan sections. So again, summary goes near the beginning of the plan but is written last. So you cannot have your executive summary if the other elements of the business plan is not yet finished. So since it's a summary, you need to finish all the other elements before you place or before you construct the summary or the executive summary and place it at the beginning of your business plan. Now, let us proceed with the business and industry overview. So this section is an overview of the industry and how your business will compete in the sector. So for the first paragraph of the business and industry overview part, normally it contains the general nature of the industry. For the second paragraph, it includes trends and demographic and economic, cultural, and governmental influences. For the third paragraph, it describes your business and how it fits into the industry. For the fourth paragraph, it describes the existing competition. And normally, for the last part of this element, it describes what area or areas of the market you will target and what unique, improved, or lower cost services you will offer. Now for the marketing plan. So take note, marketing planning, designing activities relating to marketing objectives, and the changing marketing environment. While a marketing plan is a written document that acts as a guidebook of marketing activities for the marketing managers. So, marketing plan, usually you can see the 4 Ps or the marketing mix, also known as the price, the product, the place, the price, and the promotion. So the product of your business, the place of your business or the location, the price of each good or services that you will sell, and the promotion, the strategy on how you will sell your goods and services. Now let us proceed to organizational structure. So an organizational structure is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed to achieve an organization's goals. So these activities can include rules, roles, and responsibilities. So the organizational structure also determines how information flows between levels within the company. So for example, in a centralized structure, decisions flow from the top down, while in a decentralized structure, decision-making power is distributed among various levels of the organization. So having an organizational structure in place allows companies to remain efficient and focused. So as you can see, it really depends on the business on what organizational structure they will use. Next is the operating plan. So what is the operating plan? So this is one of the essential elements in the development plan. So scheduling includes all the all of the vital work elements and the stages the product must pass through before customer delivery. So it should also be tied to the development budget so that expenses can be tracked. But its primary purpose is to establish timeframes for completing all work assignments and do the post them within the stages through which the product must pass. So when producing the schedule, provide a column for each procedural task and its time, start date, and stop date. So if you want to give a number for each job, include a column for the task number in the schedule. So you also need to organize your operating plan so that your employees can understand it better. And for our last element, the financial plan. So three key financial statements must be presented. First is the balance sheet. Second is an income statement. And third is a cash flow statement. So these three statements typically cover 1 year. So be sure you state any assumptions and projections made when calculating the figures. So financial plan also determines the stages at which your business will require external financing and identify the expected financing sources such as debts and equity sources. Also, it clearly show what return on investment these sources will achieve by investing in your business. So the final item to include is a break-even analysis. So this analysis should indicate what level of sales will be required to cover all costs. Also, if the work is done well, the financial statement should represent the actual economic achievements expected from your business plan. So they also provide a standard by which to measure the actual results of operating your business. So they are a precious tool to help you manage and control your business. So it is really important for you to have a financial plan in your business plan because it will determine whether your business succeeded or not. So take note that every element in the business plan is important. If one is missing, there is a high chance for your business to fail or not succeeded because it is not the structure is not organized well and it is not planned properly. So if you have any questions or clarifications, you can send me an email at ksvcahigas@mymail.mapua.edu.ph or you can send me a message on Facebook at Cassandra Cahigas. So once again, thank you for listening and have a nice day.